I do a walk around video on this TS100 100 horsepower New Holland cab and air tractor with the Tiger side boom mower. You saw the pictures. Tractor's pretty straight up here. Like I said, tractor cranks, runs, drive. We'll do a crank running drive video here showing that the mower does turn and the tractor just goes through the gears and goes forward, reverse. Like I said, the cab, everything seems to be there. Like I said, the tractor's come off a local parish. They replace it with some new tractor. That's why they get rid of this one. It's got a Tiger side boom mower. The side boom mower is in pretty good condition right here. It does have the two remotes on the back, 2 sets. It's got the 3-pole on the back. It's got a 540 RPM shaft on the back here. As you take a look at here, so you got a couple new rams on the boom mower itself here. The boom mower deck is in really good condition. So if you look at that deck, we don't see any rust or anything on this deck. It's a pretty straight up deck here. Like I said, it does have the 3 blades, which is a big option. It's got brand new blades on here. Like I said, you can see they're kind of getting ready to use this when the new one came in. Like I said, so the machine's in good shape. It all seems to do what it's supposed to do here. We'll do a video of it cranking, running, and driving, show that here in just a minute. Only on Off-Time Shop is going to find this TS100 New Holland side boom, this Tiger side boom mower coming southwest beyond and auction time at about. Thank you.